NASDAQ this week has rise in the value, and we can see that the price has formed this bullish breakout. This bullish breakout has been validated with the next candle on Wednesday, where the price continued to rise in value. And this is something that I have shared with the Telegram traders, with pointing this bullish breakout expecting to rise in value, and this is something that has happened, where the price has gone above 18,500, reaching all-time high price level again and then staying above. On the weekly time frame, we can see that is continuation of this bullish trend, where the price returned back up inside the bullish uptrend channel, and the price continued to rise in value. And we can see that the price has formed. Let's move this one a little bit down, because this is a very important level for the price. Now let's put another one around 18, just a minute, 18,500. It will be the next one where the price will stop, and this is something that is visible. Currently this is a round number for the price, but we'll see on the lower time frame how this looks. But on the weekly it is bullish. So let's check this one, just a minute. This should be on the daily, sorry, at least what I can see right now. And on the monthly time frame this looks like this. We can see very important levels for the price, where the price has formed this bullish breakout, but we have 1.5 week until this month closes. So in the 1.5 week the price should stay above 18,320 in order to verify this bullish breakout as valid one, but this will be also a cancellation of this bearish candle formed on the chart, which means usually the move in the opposite direction, and that means moving to the higher price level. So for now, for the monthly time frame, this is only what we can see. There is no target on the upper side except 18,500 and also 19,000 as the next targets. On the weekly, this is just a bullish breakout, which needs to be confirmed next week, which means the price should not return back below 18,300 in order to verify as a valid one. Now on the daily time frame, we can see this is the very important level on the chart that needs to hold for the price in order to continue to rise in value. And what we can see currently, this is the price level, that where the price currently is. It has been reached, and we will see how the price behaves. But for now, there is also a possibility that the price turns back down below around this area, just to confirm this bullish breakout as a valid one, and then continue to rise in value. So we'll see what happens on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the price should not return back below 18,300 in order to continue to rise in value. But if it returns, this will be indication for the price. There is a possibility for the price to return back down below this one. So we'll see what happens on the daily time frame, and I will share that inside the Telegram group. But for now, what is visible on the chart, it is expected for the price to continue to rise in value. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.